Okay guys, welcome to the JetGenX channel again, and in the Excel jet. Okay, today we are going to see how we can locate the formula of a specific cell in Excel. Okay, so if you are interested to see the formula of this cell here, you can just click equal and formula text. Okay, you just double click the formula text and select the cell, the formula of which one is required to you. Okay, and press enter. You see, now you have the formula of this cell here. If you want again to look at the formula of this cell, just click formula text, double click and look at the cell. Okay, you see, now you can see the formula here. And now if you want to show that this formula belongs to which cells of this spreadsheet, you can just come here, you see, and trace preceding. Okay, just press here. Oh, wait, I will just click here because the cursor was not there, and press trace precedence. Okay, you see, now you can show that the formula of this cell is this one. And if you press here and say the click here, it will tell you that the formula belongs to this cell. Okay, now again here, let me again tell you the how formula text. Okay, and is for this one. Okay, and press enter. Now if you select this one, and you see, now you can locate it very easily. Okay, it's a very easy trick how you can locate the formula. Thank you guys, bye bye.